Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I want to show you how to download and install the Soul browser to your Android TV device without using downloader. This is very simple. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So on my Android TV device, the method I'm going to be using is going to use this application called APK Time. And now, if you don't know how to get 8K time to your Android TV device, in the description of this video, I've added a guide, a video that should help you install APK time to your Android TV device without downloader. So after getting the application, all you need to do is go ahead and launch it. Once you launch it, you come down to the category that says players and browsers. Since we're looking for the sole browser application, so browse to the bottom where you see the application, and here's it over here, sole browser. So this is the application we are looking for. All you need to do once you're here is to click on download, and the application is going to take a couple of seconds to download. So just click download and the application is going to be downloaded. Once it's done downloaded, then you can install it to your Android TV device, and all this process without using downloader. If you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.